In this video, we're going to complete and run the influence diagram model. We're going to go up here to our chance node, right-click, go to the influence value table, and here we have strong success. We're going to enter the probability for that, 0.5. The probability for moderate success is 0.3, and the probability for weak success is 0.2. They are the only values that we have, so we're going to click OK. We'll go over to the number of condos, hit the influence value table, and here you see the 3 decision choices, and we don't have any values here that we need to fill in on this particular node, so we hit OK. And then we go to the payoff. Here we see the values that we see in the table here. We have the number of condos here. They're shown over here on the right. The states of the world here. They're shown here on the right as well. And if I place these values from the table in here and say OK, you'll notice that up here we've got our results. The expected value for the 90 condo is $1,160. For the 60 condos, it's $1,080, and for the 30 condos, it's $650. And since we're trying to maximize expected value, the 90 condo is the option that we're going with. So you'll see that the minimum outcome for 90 condos is minus $2,000. The maximum outcome is $3,000. The expected value is $1,160. If we go up here to decision analysis and ask for a risk profile, we can get the probability chart, the cumulative chart, and the statistical summary, and we'll have them placed in a new workbook. We'll say OK. Wait a few minutes while it does its calculations for us. And here, this is showing us the results of the 90 condo option. There is a 20% chance of losing $2,000. There is a 30% chance of gaining $200. And there's a 50% chance of gaining $3,000. Showing that as a cumulative distribution, we have the 20% chance of $2,000, the 30% chance of $200, and the 50% chance of $3,000. A statistical summary is provided here that's not so different from the one that you saw initially. Now, it would be reasonable to ask, why would you want to build an influence diagram for a model as simple as this? And I think that would be a fair question. But we're using a very simple model to help you learn how to use the software. Influence diagrams can be extremely useful when the decision problems become a bit more complex. So this concludes our video introduction to the influence diagram, and we will carry on with the decision models, taking a look at a decision tree in future videos.